Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Now listen, I don't want to brag or anything, but also I'm gonna sit here and brag because I got the best advent calendar money could buy. Now, this was $15. I already know you know by the title and the thumbnail of this video what I have, but at this moment, I'm over here like, ooh, you don't know what I have? It's so good. I'm gonna show you. Ba-bam. I have the Harry Potter Socks Advent Calendar, okay? I got this from Target. I got it before it actually released, but I haven't unboxed it yet, so it's probably out now if you want to go buy it. If it is, I will link it below. It will be a link where I do earn a very small commission if it is there, but yeah, this is $15 for 15 days of socks. Now, I'm one of those people that I pretty much know what's coming in here because I like to look before. I'm not wasting my money on something I'm not going to use, okay? So, there was I think 3 or 4 different ones that came out for this year, and this is the one that's the best one, okay? Out of all the other Harry Potter Advent Calendar socks boxes, this is the best one, the best prints, the best designs, okay? So, 15 days of socks. You're paying $1 a sock here, which is fine because I hit up the dollar section for socks all the time for like seasonal. These are probably gonna be my new go-to, like Under Armour who? No! Harry Potter is going to be the new sock, okay? I'm excited to get into this, so if you guys are enjoying these types of videos from me, then give it a thumbs up. I will also have all of my holiday videos in a playlist down below in the description. If you guys do enjoy, then definitely go check it out. If you haven't subscribed already, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor, like I just said, and hit the subscribe button. It'll melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, first off, I want to talk about how cute this box is. Like, it is so cute. Basically, this is going to be a Harry Potter character box. So there's going to be 5 pairs of crew socks in here and 10 pairs of low cut socks. I'm so excited. So here we go. This, by the way, would be the best gift for Christmas. It's $15 and, you know, everybody likes to get socks for Christmas. Maybe not, but I do. So if you know somebody that needs some socks, give them this or any other kind of advent calendar with socks because, hello, it's fun and you also have socks on your feet. Hello, duh. But yeah, this would be a perfect gift and it's $15, 15 pairs of sock, $1 a sock. Oh my god, this packaging, expecto Patronum. If you guys don't know, I am a serious Harry Potter fan. I have been a Harry Potter fan ever since the first movie. I did see the very first Harry Potter in theaters, okay? 1999, I think it came out. But yeah, I love this so much. Look at this packaging. I know I'm spending so much time on the packaging, but like we just have to take this in. Anyways, door number 1. Oh no, this is gonna be a hard one to open. I'm gonna like, oh no, this is gonna be hard. Okay, I'm gonna like pre-press all of these real quick so we're not sitting here struggling the whole entire time. Okay, so I've kind of like pre-did them all, so let's go for door number 1. I'm so excited. I kind of forgot what they all looked like, but yeah, let's go, let's get it. Oh my god. Okay, so here we have our first pair of socks. Freaking exciting. So we have, I forgot what this is called, but it's like the you know, the thing. Oh, I forgot what it's called, but you know what this is called. These are actually so cute. I wouldn't say the material is like terrible, but hello, I'm gonna be wearing these. Yes, boot socks. Gotta love it. Next up, we have everyone riding on the bird, Hedwig, and I'm so excited. Did I just say Hedwig? That's like not the right one. Oh my god, look at these socks. They're so cute. And they have little snitches on them. Cute. These are cute. I love this. Door number 3. Oh, come on. Okay, I'm gonna rip this box to shreds. Okay, here we have you seen this wizard? And it has Sirius Black on them. Freaking cute. Love these. I cannot wait to wear all of these all of the time. I sleep in socks during the winter, so I'm just like so excited. Okay, here we have Hedwig, the actual Hedwig. Let's see what sock we get here. I am tearing this box up. Okay, We have him, and it says, waiting on my letter. How freaking adorable. So this is a short sock. You're going to have this on the top of your foot. Love that. Love that. Okay, we have the seeker here, which kind of looks like it's saying Reese's for some reason. Ooh, we have Harry Potter. Harry Potter on a sock. I'm so excited to wear Harry Potter. See, when I'm filming videos, I'll be like, today I'm wearing my Harry Potter socks. So, yeah. But like literal Harry Potter socks, I'll tell you which socks I'm wearing in every video. Okay, we have Dobby is a free elf. I'm sorry I'm like doing this accent. I hope I'm not offending anyone. I'm just getting into character. And oh my god, they're the long socks. It says Dobby is a free elf. I'm gonna cry. Look at little Dobby. Look. And it has like, these are so cute. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Okay. Dobby is free. Okay. Here we have Hagrid and Fluffy. Okay. Oh yes. And we have Hagrid. We have some Hagrid socks. So we can wear Hagrid. And if I'm filming a big video, I'll be like, I'm wearing Hagrid today. Very exciting. Here we have Ron in the flying car. Oops, okay, well they flung over here. Here we go. We have Ronald Weasley. How dare you steal that car? I love when she's talking. And Jenny dear. But anyways, we have Ron. You guys remember that video that was viral back in like, I don't know, 2008? And it's just the puppets and it's like, Ron Weasley. Snape. You know what I'm talking about? That's like OG gold. Let me know down below if you know what I'm talking about. Here we have Hermione. So basically the socks are coordinating to what it shows. So we have Hermione socks. So whenever I'm feeling sassy and like I know it all, I'll put Hermione socks on that day. Okay, now we have Luna Lovegood for number 10. Oh, and these socks are so cute. Luna's like my favorite. She's like, I think I'll have some pudding. And like the noggles. You know what I'm talking about? Luna is like so cute. I love her. These socks are so cute. And the quality is like not even that bad. Like I'm here for it. Here we go. Door number 10. I assume this is going to be something with Slytherin. And it is. We have Malfoy. So when I'm feeling like being really rude to people and snooty, I will put on my... when I'm in a mood is the day I'll put on Malfoy socks. Okay, door number 12, which is my favorite number. Aw, look. How cute. Little Sirius socks. Cute, love that. Okay, here we have one with like a ton of them on there, so I wonder... Oh, okay, so it's another big sock. It says, Hogwarts is my home. I love that, and a little castle. Ooh, girl. I'm so excited to wash these socks so I can wear them. Oh, door number 14, we have a Patronus Charm. This is Harry Potter's Patronus. And it says, Expecto Patronum. So excited. Yes. And then the last one, which I'm so sad we're like done with this advent calendar already. Toss this to the side. And we have all of the houses here. Very exciting, and I like this one a lot. I am a Gryffindor. I know that's so like, you know, cliche of me. Whatever, but I'm a Gryffindor, okay? I really am. These are all my socks. I'm so excited. I got all of these $1 a piece, $15. Woot woot. Now my boyfriend's in here because he said it's time to go pick up the Crash Bandicoot game number 4. So I guess that's my time to go. If you guys are loving this, let me know. I know socks are like not that cool, but like comfy cozy, you guys. I love socks, and this is a great bargain. And it's a great Christmas gift. So let me know your thoughts and opinions down below if you did enjoy. I'm sorry this was a very long video, a little theatrical, but I love Harry Potter, right?
Sure.
Okay. Well, anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know your thoughts and opinions, and that's it. Bye.